Hello everyone, this is Matt from Branding5 and I will just show you a quick how to get started with your product guide. So first of all, when you start your new brand positioning, here you have to enter your brand name. For now we're going to do it for IntelliPaper.ai. You also have to enter your website URL. Then you add a general description. You can also press help me with AI to get a suggestion for the description text. Then you have to define the primary target audience. Also, we have a help button here. You add your unique selling proposition. We can also do it with help. Then you add the origin story of your brand. This is entirely optional. We're gonna skip this for now. And the brand goal. Please be bold here because of course we want to, in the end, get a very strong brand. Then you press finish. And the next step is the inspiration. So here you can add different companies or famous brands that inspire you. For example, we're going to add PDF.ai and we love Think Different from Apple, of course. And then you can press Analyze Inspiration. And you will get a direction where your brand positioning could go. So let's just check. We're going to remove premium and press continue. Here you can define your ICPs. So these are our ideal customer profiles that are very important to think about target audience, communication, etc. You can either create them with a guided quiz or entirely with AI. We're going to do that now. And finished. And here you can also edit this. And then you can also add a second ICP. And then you press continue. Now you add your top competitors. You can also suggest some with the help of our AI. Here you can add your differentiation notes or use the USP you defined earlier. Then we are ready to analyze your competitors. And here you get a comprehensive competitor analysis. You can also check the whole screenshot of the website, see strengths, threats, opportunities, and weaknesses. And the most important part, actionable insights for your own brand. If you're not happy with the analysis, you can also refine with feedback. Now we are analyzing the brand foundation and values. And here you can get some insights from your website and define here the values that fit your brand the most. And now we are almost done under the brand archetypes, where you can define, so think about as from archetypes as the core personality of a brand, which archetype fits your brand the best. You can also get an AI suggestion or select up to 8 archetypes that could fit your brand. So we're gonna go with these. You can also check details. And then you define the traits. So for us, leadership is not so important, but excellence, trust is very important, and quality. And now we have a little Tinder-like quiz. And and we get the hard stripe to hero. If you're not happy with that, you can also retake the quiz. For now, we're gonna save and continue. And we're almost done. You can check the previous steps here. And if you're happy, generate your final brand positioning. Awesome. So on the first panel, you can see your brand identity. So how you communicate, what is your brand promise, your personality, your UCP, your goals, and your values. On the second panel, you can see your brand archetype, the one that we've defined before, and also how to implement this in practice. And your strategies, marketing niche, example brands. You can also find your brand narrative and also what, how, and why. Here you can find ideas for your visual identity and some color suggestions. You can also export those. You get a SWOT analysis, a comprehensive competitor analysis, a landing page analysis with actionable steps on how to improve your brand. Here you get a keyword analysis, basic SEO data. You get a ladder score. Your ICP we defined previously, or your ICPs. You get ideas for marketing copy. You can copy those as well. Content strategy. Following the Hero Hub Hygiene Framework by Google. And actionable marketing campaign ideas following the EDA model. You can also copy those ideas and share it with others. And if you want to share your report with your friends, you can click here and copy the link. You can also customize your report branding, add a custom header text or a logo so you can white label your branding. Thanks so much and have fun. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link.